He's looking at you. You see him right there? He thinks you're being too crazy. He doesn't have horns. Something. Oh. Shoo. Stinky. Looks like Diamond. Scratchy, scratchy. Oh, he's little, huh?
Pies y piernas dentro del tren. Siéntense hasta atrás, pegados al respaldo de la banca. Y por favor, vigilen a los niños. Gracias.
Welcome aboard the Wildlife Express, with service from the Vicky's Planet Watch to the village of Harambe. As you head back out into Disney's amphitheater, we hope you take with you a great appreciation for the very journey that led us here. You see, it was Walt Disney's passion for animals and conservation that led him to send film crews across the globe to capture dramatic footage of wildlife in remote.
So we are on Kilimanjaro Safari.
Next one on the dog.
I would also recommend you hold on to the camera. The road is very fun.
We have a happy girl. Are you excited to sit down?
Please let me know. I can send a
Ew, really?
for your retreat.
Do you need some?
But I promise it will not be in the same condition it was when you tried it. Now, if you have little ones with you,
There's a rogue Motrin back here on the floor. So yeah, we went to the conservation station, as you just saw, and then we came straight over here for our DAS at Kilimanjaro Safaris. Our next DAS is flight of passage at like 1:02, so we have about an hour? A little over an hour wait for that. So when we get done here, we're gonna use the restrooms, take a minute, and we're just not gonna push ourselves today. So it's been a good day so far. That's what we needed, was like a little slow, quiet day. Are you excited to see some animals? You're gonna see all of those up there? You see all of them? I don't know. Please remain seated with hands, arms, feet, and legs into the vehicle for the duration of our ride. This includes lap seating children. Be warned that the ride gets a little bumpy, so hold on to belongings tight. If anything falls overboard, let me know. I cannot retrieve it, but I can call someone who might be able to. This is a great time to get phones and cameras ready. You never know when a perfect animal picture will appear. On the right, we're looking out for okapi. They have striped zebra legs, but they are not related to zebras. Their closest living relative is actually the giraffe, as both have prehensile tongues, excellent for wrapping around branches and eating all the leaves off. Until 1901, there were no okapi in the Western world, and they had been considered something of an African myth or legend. Black rhino. They're about 3,000 pounds. Those are female greater kudu, as they do not have any horns. They can move their left and right ear independently, trying to get a really good gauge on where sound is coming from. When born, they're very small, only 50 to 100 pounds, but in the course of about 3 years, they will be nearly full grown. By 4, they're good. All the size they have, they will have. And by 7, they're ready to have babies. The one fully underwater is our newest addition to the reserve. She is not a baby, but she is a transplant coming from California, another accredited zoo. We were able able to trade, trying to get better breeding pairs. Her name is Rosie. Baby, go check that out. Little one's named Greta. She's definitely under 7 months old.
I love her.
Can't give you a closer than that. All the months start to mush together. Not sure what's causing this traffic.
See it. I see him, honey.
Baby giraffes are 6 feet tall, and that's only 1/3 of their adult height. Their tongues are a dark color, nearly black, as an adaptation to keep from getting sunburned, as they can spend 12 to 20 hours a day eating. Giraffes don't need to sleep very much. For 30 minutes at a time, they'll take little naps.
I see him.
We're passing by some Termite Mountain zebras on both sides. We say that these zebras are black with white stripes because they all have black noses and black hooves. Babies are born with most of their height in their legs so that they're able to run and keep up with the rest of the group or dazzle from those first days of being alive. Each pattern is unique for both giraffe and zebra.
Look, Michaela.
We're going to pass by some large termite mounds. These make for excellent scratching posts. Made with just 3 ingredients, dirt, saliva, and dung, they harden similar to cement.
Look, Michaela. Look.
Trying to eat a ball.
When it's time to go to bed, wildebeest are very strategic about how they pick their spots, making sure to leave space for one another just in case they have to get up and go quickly. They don't want to step on fellow friends in a stampede.
We had a great time on Kilimanjaro Safaris. A lot of the animals were really close. They had just been fed, so they were super close to the ride vehicles. Some were walking across. And then we went to go on Flight of Passage. So that was amazing. And Michaela loved it even more than she did when we were here last time. You did, didn't you? And now we are on the Maharaja Jungle Trek, and I love all of the details and decorations and things like that. Really peaceful back here. I really enjoy it. We all do. And I think after this, we are going to, oh, we got to see Chip and Dale on the boats, and Pocahontas and Miko, which was a lot of fun.
So this door, that's a trap door, which means that there's one tiger out and she has access to both mounds. I haven't seen her here.
Okay.
It's high likelihood she's over there. That's good.
Okay.
Keep on going up ahead, there'll be a bridge, and look to the right.
That's really cool.
She's over there somewhere, I'm
Perfect. Thank you.
thinking. As soon as you go there, she'll pop out.
Probably. So he was just telling us that that far right window where the tigers are, there is a trap door, which means she can go under the concrete here and come out on the other side. So because they're not over here, more than likely they're over there. And he was joking around that by the time we get over there, she'll probably be back over here. So like, yep, that's just about how it goes, right? So I think we're going to do Pete Safari, and we're going to have some coffee in a little while. Oh, very cool. Okay. Let me flip this around.
Sometimes you get vegetables and fruits and things like that, but they actually come from Epcot. So they provide some of that for us. Lovely smile. Bye. Have a great day.
Oh, buffalo. You having a good time, Michaela? Yeah. Yep, got to save up our money and shop cakes again. There she is. Look how gorgeous this iridescent firefly drink is. So it is Mountain Berry Blast Gatorade, pineapple juice, and a little shot of Sprite. And then it has these cute, like, candied pineapple for the ears. How cute is that? So this is the spaghetti and meatballs cupcake. It's so adorable. I love the paper that is around it. And this is at Safari. And we got the Caesar salad as the side with our individual pizza. Kaylee, you want to try the first bite? Know what this is on top. I didn't read the description, so I have no idea. But I love how the little shaved chocolate is so pretty. White. It looks like Parmesan cheese. So this is a whole lot of icing, and I don't like a lot of icing. And the sponge looks really dense, so we'll see how it goes. It's very light. It's very light. Even the icing is not really sweet, so I don't like icing too much. So that right there is almost like a whipped icing. It tastes really nice. It's not super heavy and greasy like a normal buttercream, so I don't know really what it is, but it has a nice vanilla flavor. So, but I would definitely say, like, you can see how dense this looks. I would definitely say to split it with somebody because it's a lot, but it's really good. I'm still curious of what this is on top. Mystery solved, because it is a chocolate cake pop on top, which was really good.
Oh my goodness, double trouble, right? I know
They're so cute.